Did you know that cricket is more popular in India than anywhere else in the world? The balls used by icons like Sachin and Sehwag are meticulously crafted, playing a pivotal role in the game. Making a cricket ball begins with a specialized leather procured from Bangladesh. Depending on the type of match, this leather can be dyed in different colors, such as red for test matches and white for one-day matches. The process of creating a cricket ball involves cutting and stitching leather into semicircular shapes. Sheets of leather are first cut, measured, and divided lengthwise before being placed under a specialized machine to cut electric parts. Two such parts are then stitched together in the center to create a semicircular shape, marking the initial stage of creating a cricket ball. These semicircular parts are then joined and shaped using a sharp-bladed machine. Workers join the semicircular parts of the ball, and the sharp-bladed machine trims off any excess parts of the ball, giving it the correct shape. A cricket ball is then strengthened using special wood and threads. Special wood and cork are used to make a wooden cricket ball. To strengthen the ball, layers of white threads are added to the cork. Cricket balls are made by filling cork into a leather cover and stitching it up. The cork is filled into the leather cover and put into a special clamping device. The ball is then stitched up, thoroughly beaten, and given additional stitching before it is ready for use. Cricket balls undergo a special process of hand stitching. It takes workers nearly 2 hours to hand stitch a ball and make it sturdy. Balls are checked in a mold before they are made to ensure the correct size and shape. After their production, cricket balls have to go through branding. A brand label is printed on the ball to indicate its completion. After this, the ball is ready for use in the field. In summary, the process of making a cricket ball in India involves obtaining specialized leather, cutting and stitching it into shape, filling it with cork, and finally, branding the ball. This meticulous process ensures that the cricket balls are of the highest quality, ready to be used in the thrilling games of cricket that captivate the nation.